Here's airport train 429. This is a train. We're out of nowhere. Everyone's ready to go to the airport. We're leaving. Silverliner 5, 723, 710, and 724. All taken out to the airport. Train 429 to the airport. As we're already in April. And we are the second quarter of the year. As we can get more to come. More trains are coming. Actually, more train for action. More train coming in. Train 426. This is a train to Warminster. Silverliner 4 is leading. Got Silverliner 4 rail cars. Silverliner 4 rail cars. 359. This is a train to Warminster. This is the Warminster train. Train 426 to Warminster. From the airport. Silverliner 359, 358, 433, and 434. All taken out to Warminster. He'll be coming back as a train to the airport. He'll be coming back as a train to the airport. That was on train 421 this morning. And I catch him coming back. More coming. Do the town train. You already have your train coming in? Side rail cars! 110! 3. He's early today. That's just a truck. Mark here. Here's the dual side train coming in. 538 coming in. Side rail cars. Get top rail cars! Get top rail cars! 849! Is it this car? 825? Oh yeah. All taken off to those. Here we got the West train coming in. Silverliner 4s. Got Silverliner 4 rail cars. Got 179. I'm taking off to West train out of here. I take the line. We'll wait. flight was train 8328. We're waiting for Malvern and then airport. More to come. Here we got the Malvern train coming in. This is train 531 to Malvern. Silverliner 5 is leading. Silverliner 5 rail cars. Guys, 812, 11, 813. I'm taking off to Malvern. One more train. We have one more train, which is train 433. We'll get him, and that's it. We'll get him, and then that will be it for today. We got the train 433 to the airport coming up next, and then that will be it for today. We got the last train coming in, train 433 to the airport. Yes. Okay. Silverliner 4 is leading. Gonna get him, and this is it for today. This is your train, guys. There's Silverliner 4s today. 5-car train, minute late. Silverliner 4 160. 159. No! You just walked straight.
Let him stay at the airport.
To the airport. That's it for today. We'll catch you guys on Friday, May 6th for more Railfanning adventures. And then again, May 6th to the 8th and May the 11th to the 14th. And to also celebrate National Train Day. See you guys in May.